I'm going to be using Old English scratch cover for dark woods. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I just wanted to show you, I've gone ahead and used Old English on this half of it, but this half I haven't. So you can see the line and the major difference it makes. It makes it so much shinier and it just refreshes the wood. Hello, and welcome back to another Old English video. Today we are going to be using Old English to spruce up this coffee table. When we tip the table up, we can see the clawfoot could use a little bit of Old English. There's just a little bit of wear on it. And to actually kind of spruce the table up, even if it doesn't have scratches, Old English works great. For this, we are going to need some paper towels or lint-free rags to rub the Old English on. Let's get started. I'm just going to go ahead and drop the Old English directly onto the table. Now, if you like, you could just put it on the paper towel. Okay, so along this edge right here, as you can see, there are some scratches. I'm going to take and just drop the Old English on my paper towel, and we'll just take and rub this on. I'm so sorry, it's a little blurry. Like magic. I have polished this foot right here with Old English, and look how beautiful it is. I went ahead and put the Old English in these little cracks, which I think really livens it up. Now let me show you what it looked like before. So we went from this clawfoot to this clawfoot. Absolutely amazing. I just finished polishing this beautiful coffee table. The next thing I'm going to do is just take a rag and I'm just going to wipe the excess off. I like to get a lot on there so all the scratches are filled. Last step, wipe the excess off so it doesn't rub off on anything. This coffee table is done. It is ready for pictures and to be posted online for sale. It up tonight for $75. I'd like to thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I do all kinds of creative things on this channel, including furniture, wigs, DIYs, how-tos, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video, and you'll probably see me too. Peace out.